Okay, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to make a video using Loom so that you can present some slides and you can display your face in the bottom hand corner there as well. So firstly, you just need to go to loom.com to use the software. You just sign up and make a free account. It'll also add a Chrome extension here for when you want to make a video, or you can just go back to the website and go back to your account. So then when you want to make a video, you just click new video here. You can see once you've made them, the videos will sit here and you can edit them and share them and download them. Okay, so then before you start recording, you want to select screen and cam from here to share your screen and also display your face over the webcam in the corner. You want to make sure this line is bumping up and down and moving to check that the audio is working before you record a 15-minute video and find the sound doesn't work. And you want to keep this space clear on your slides as well. What I like to do as well is on slides is use this pointer if I'm talking over different text or pointing things out. I also like to make it look a bit cleaner by clicking hide on that little box there. And then with your face here, you can make it larger if you like and really big if you wanted to make a point for some reason. I like the small one. When you're finished, you just click that tick there as well to finish recording. I like to click these little three buttons to hide the menu as well, so it looks a little bit nicer. So what it looks like when you're actually displaying is you can jump around if you like to. If I want to start my slides and click present, grab my pointer, I keep that space clear so on any of the slides so I can have myself sitting down in the corner there. So you just got to keep that in mind with pictures and text, and then you can talk over the slides as you like. So going back to this, once you're done making the video, you click that little tick sign down at the bottom here to finish the recording, and it will save it like this automatically. It will take you to this screen where you can watch it. You can copy a link to share it with people. You can download it here by clicking this button here. You can download the video as an MP4 and you can upload it straight to the Google Classroom or other places there. And you can also trim the video here by clicking trim. You can cut off a section at the start or a section at the end or edit out any parts in the middle if you need to. And it looks like this here. This is what the website looks like. So this is where your videos sit once you've made them. And your options to trim them are here and change settings and then to download them here. So all done. It's easy as that.